Hello guys, this is the MEPtutor, and today I will be solving this problem. Given a triangle ABC, let G be the centroid of the triangle and L be a line not intersecting any of the sides of the triangle. If the distances of the vertices A, B, and C to the line L are 5, 10, and 12 inches respectively, what is the distance from G to L? Alright. First, I'm going to explain a few concepts. If we have a triangle like this, the median of a triangle will be a line that goes from the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side to that vertex. There are three medians because there are three vertices, right? The point where the three medians are intersected, it's called the centroid of the triangle, right? This will be the centroid of this triangle. There is a proportion that I will use to solve this problem, and it goes like this. The median is divided into two segments. The one that goes from the vertex to the centroid, it represents 2/3 of the total length of the median, and the one that goes from the centroid to the opposite side is 1/3 of the median. The other important concept is about proportions of triangle. If we have a triangle like this, imagine this line is horizontal, which is kind of horizontal, but it's mathematically horizontal in theory. And we got a point here, and we drew a perpendicular line to our horizontal that goes through the point. There will be a proportion. This proportion from here, and let's say this is called A, B, let's say this is C, D, there will be a proportion. A over B will be equal to C over D. For example, if this is 10 and this is 10 and this is 20, this will be 20. Okay, those are the things I will use to solve the problem. Now, we got a line that doesn't intersect the triangle, which means the line is outside the triangle. I could draw a line like this or like this, but it's better to have an horizontal line because it makes it easier to solve the problem. If we drew the first vertex, which is at a distance of 5 inches from the line, and we drew the second vertex will be 10 inches from the line, and the last vertex, something like this, will be at a distance of 12 inches. So something more precise, this will be at 12 inches. Alright, the next thing, if we drew an horizontal line that goes from here to here, I will use another color. Let's use red. If we drew an horizontal line that goes from here to here, this distance will be 5, and this distance also will be 5. If we drew a median like this median divides this line. Let's draw it a little bit more precise too, something like this. Okay. This median will divide this side into two segments. As I showed in the example before, if we drew an horizontal line that is perpendicular to this side, that will mean that this proportion in this line will be equal to this proportion here. So if this is in the middle of this line, this point will be in the middle of this line, and the middle of 5 is 2.5. If this distance is 2.5 and this distance is 5, this distance here will be 7.5. Alright, the next thing is, if we know that this distance here is 12, and this distance to here is 7.5, the difference here, the difference of distance here will be 12 minus 7.5, which is 4. I will use another color. Let's use this, 4.5, right? And we can create another median. Let's draw the second median that goes from here to the midpoint of the other vertex. Alright, the centroid will be in the intersection of those medians, and we will have a proportion. The proportion will be 2/3 here and 1/3 here. So if we construct the whole triangle, and we know that this is 4.5, and we drew a perpendicular to the and in this case will be a vertical line, and the perpendicular will be horizontal, the proportion will maintain here, and this proportion goes, this horizontal lines goes through the centroid. So we know that this is 1/3 of 4.5, and the rest here is 2/3 of 4.5. 1/3 of 4.5 is 1.5. So this is 1.5. If this from here to here, oh my god, I need to learn how to draw with this device. If this is 7.5, the total distance from the centroid to the line will be equal to 1.5 plus 7.5, which is 9 inches. And that's the whole exercise. This corresponds to letter B. Thanks for your time. Goodbye.